Hi, this is the shrimp pasta that I'm making tonight, and this is just sauce, tomato sauce, and garlic and olive oil first, and then we'll go on with the rest. Now I added the green onions, like a bunch, you know, like usually a bunch at the supermarket. That's how much I put in it. You don't want to make it too much either. You don't want to cook it too much either. So perfect. Now I'm going to be adding the shrimps. And cover the pan for like 5 minutes. And then marinate them a little. Oregano. Pepper. Dry parsley, a little bit there. And the salt. The shrimp don't need to be cooked a lot. Like 5 minutes in the heat. That's it, and then you let it simmer. So now I'm going to turn off the heat, and it will cook the tomatoes and the parsley. You don't need it to be cooked. You need it as fresh as possible. The shrimp sauce into the this is beautiful. Okay.